Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best preschool Valentine crafts is probably one of the most exciting and heartwarming ways to celebrate the season of love with your little ones, offering a delightful blend of creativity, fine motor skill development, and cherished keepsakes that capture the joy of childhood. These hands-on activities provide a wonderful opportunity for preschoolers to express their feelings, learn about colors and shapes, and create unique gifts for family and friends, making Valentine's Day a truly memorable and engaging experience for everyone involved. Number 5. JOYIN Valentine's Day Bingo Game Cards. Get ready for a fun-filled Valentine's Day with this exciting bingo game. It's perfect for parties and family gatherings. This set is designed for up to 28 players, ensuring everyone can join in on the excitement. It includes everything you need to play. Crafted with high-quality, durable materials, these cards are reusable for endless fun. They are also easy to use for all ages. Each card features a unique and festive Valentine's Day theme, adding a special touch to your celebration. The designs are vibrant and engaging. This super value pack is ideal for classroom parties, family activities, and as a delightful gift. It's a fantastic way to entertain children and create lasting memories. Your child's safety is our priority. This game is made with non-toxic materials and has passed all safety tests, meeting U.S. toy standards. What we like. This is a fantastic option for larger groups, perfect for classroom parties or family gatherings with up to 28 players. If you're looking for an engaging, reusable game that provides hours of fun and is safe for kids, this is the one to choose. What people say. Good quality and size for the kids. Easy to use. Cute game with everything you need to have a good time. Excellent product, bright colors, solid laminate paper. Number 4. Sumind 24 Sets Valentine's Day Craft Kits for Kids. Get ready for a fun-filled Valentine's Day with our craft kits. This set provides everything you need for a creative crafting session. You'll receive 24 complete kits, each with various styles to choose from. They come with stickers and cards, offering rich options for a happy holiday. These DIY kits are ideal for Valentine's Day ornaments, games, and classroom gifts. Kids and students will love them, and you can enjoy crafting together. Assembly is a breeze. Just peel and stick the provided elements onto the cards. It's a great way to exercise your child's hands-on skills. Each ornament is designed with a hole for easy hanging. Create banners, mini decors for trees, windows, doors, and more to fill your home with a joyous atmosphere. These crafts are perfectly sized for little hands to manage. They are simple yet engaging items designed to enrich your children's holiday season. What we like. If you want a simple, mess-free craft activity that kids can easily assemble themselves, this is a great choice. It's perfect for classroom games or as a take-home craft, allowing children to create their own festive ornaments. What people say. This is a great craft kit for preschoolers. The kit includes everything you need to make several different Valentine's Day crafts. The crafts are easy enough for preschoolers to complete with a little help from an adult. Number 3. Winlyn Valentine Heart Wreath Craft Kit. Get ready for a fun and creative Valentine's Day activity. This kit provides everything you need for a delightful crafting experience. Inside, you'll find a variety of colorful foam shapes, googly eyes, and satin cords. It's all designed for easy, no-mess crafting. Made with safe, soft EVA foam and self-adhesive pieces, this kit requires no extra glue or scissors. It's perfect for young artists. Kids can easily assemble beautiful heart wreaths that will be a sweet addition to any holiday decoration. Let their imagination shine. This activity helps children develop their hands-on skills and foster their inner creator. It's fun and educational. These charming DIY wreaths make for a wonderful Valentine's gift exchange. They're a heartfelt creation from your little one. What we like. For those who love a comprehensive crafting experience with plenty of decorative options, this kit is ideal. If you're looking for a project that encourages creativity with a variety of foam shapes and embellishments, this will keep kids happily engaged. What people say. My niece loved this little art project. She made a wreath for everyone in the family. I bought this for my daughter's first grade class and the craft was a huge success. Great Valentine's Day craft for children. Number 2. Skillmatics Search and Find Educational Game. Embark on an exciting journey with our Search and Find game. It's designed to make learning fun and engaging for young minds. This game features 12 reusable activity mats that help expand vocabulary and sharpen observation skills. Kids can practice again and again. Learning is best when it's fun. Our easy-to-clean mats allow for endless practice, reinforcing skills in an interactive way. Discover new words and places as you explore vibrant scenes like outer space, the jungle, and even the ocean. It's a world of learning at their fingertips. Created by experts, each mat offers age-appropriate activities that make learning exciting. It encourages independent learning and builds confidence. From jungle safaris to space adventures, these activities inspire creativity while enhancing reading and observation skills. Let their imagination soar. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This is a perfect screen-free option for birthdays and holidays, suitable for ages 3 to 6. What we like? This is an excellent choice for parents and educators seeking an educational and interactive activity that can be used again and again. If you want to boost vocabulary and observation skills in a fun, screen-free way for children aged 3 to 6, this learning game is perfect. What people say. Pictures are bright and true to Disney princess looks, and the markers work well and are easily removed for reuse. A great skill builder toy that can be used independently. The mats have different activities on both sides which are very fun to do. They don't feel too small for kiddos to do, and they come with 2 whiteboard markers. I personally love them and use them so much for teaching my kids tracing skills. Kids are engaged for a good amount of time while they learn new words and things as well. Good quality sheets and good packing where sheets and pens can be stored after use. Number 1. CHIAZLLTA Valentine's Day DIY Picture Frame Craft Kits. Looking for a fun and engaging activity for kids this Valentine's Day? Our DIY picture frame craft kits are here to spark their imagination and creativity. Each kit comes with 30 picture frames in 6 vibrant colors, along with 390 self-adhesive stickers in 12 sheets. Everything is included for hours of crafting enjoyment. These frames are designed with kids in mind, measuring 16 by 12 centimeters with a 8 by 6 centimeters space for their photos. The stickers are also perfectly sized for easy handling and decorating. These craft kits are more than just fun, they help stimulate creativity and imagination while kids learn. It's a wonderful way to bond with your children or students. Encourage your little ones to design their own unique Valentine's Day art. These crafts are perfect for creating a joyful holiday atmosphere and memorable keepsakes. Use these DIY frames for Valentine's Day party decorations, classroom activities, or home games. They are a fantastic way to keep children entertained and engaged during the holidays. What we like? If you're looking for a craft that results in a personalized keepsake, this DIY picture frame kit is a wonderful option. It's perfect for parties or classroom activities where kids can create their own special Valentine's Day memories to take home. What people say. This is a great set for kids to make their own Valentines. It has a good variety of stickers and foam shapes. The kids loved decorating their own Valentines with these supplies. Everything was easy to use and assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.